how to enable or disable my files in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on customization service. After click on customization service, you will see after the process you will see my files is here. If you want to enable my files, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see my files is enabled. If you want to disable my files app, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see my files is disabled. You will enable or disable my files from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable my files in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.